The ocean is the lifeblood of Earth. A vital source of sustenance, transport, commerce, growth, and inspiration. Particularly, the Atlantic Ocean, which covers more than 20% of the world's global area, has been an outstanding source of living and non-living resources, spanning from food to medicine, energy, transportation, and even the air we breathe, or the climate regulation, which is crucial for life. However, despite having a strong influence over the global Earth system with a significant impact across multiple areas of society, the Atlantic is still vastly unknown, scarcely monitored, and unsustainably exploited. The Atlantic Ocean Observatory will allow the assertive and sustainable management of the Atlantic, integrating, compiling, and providing robust data and information about the Atlantic's marine environment. The observatory will focus on physical, chemical, and biological parameters, species habitats and distributions, bathymetry, geology, among others. It will also analyze human activities at sea, such as fisheries, deep-sea mining, ports, transportation, aquaculture, energy, litter, and protected areas, leading to more knowledge, monitoring surveillance, exploration, and sustainable exploitation of resources. The assertive management of data and information about the Atlantic through the efficient integration of different data layers, maximizing the effort put forward by different national institutions in data acquisition and offering free open access to information, while disseminating knowledge for us all. This sharing will help stimulate the appearance of a true Atlantic society, involving institutions and citizens around the world. The Atlantic Ocean Observatory, a single-point access to data, information, and services over the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean Observatory, generating knowledge, sustainably valuing the Atlantic.